morning. Hello. Good morning. It is a warm one. Well, not inside because I have AC. But outside it says it is 22 and oh my god, it's automated. Hold on. Okay, there we go. For you guys and for me. Ah, that's better. Anyway. It is warm. It says 22 outside and then feels like 30. And I have to walk to the office. Yippee. Looking forward to it. Hello, bologna sandwich. Hello. Hello, hello. How's it going? But yeah, back to work. Ugh. 22 is nice, but not when it says it feels like 30. That means there's humidity. A lot of it. A lot of humidity. On the inside, by the window, it says it's 27.5, so I'm assuming that 22 isn't real. Yeah, probably 22 at the airport, not in the city. Because my computer says it's 24. Ugh. Ugh. Gross. I hate starting early morning where it's already 24. You know what's coming later. Ugh. Gross. Why don't I live in the airport then? Because noisy. Annoying. No thank you. I would rather not. Yeah. Yikes. Oh, I should have charged my phone. Maybe I should do that now. Where's my charger? There it is. Yeah. No, they didn't parlay it again. Only Tuesday night because we had the day off on Wednesday. Yeah, it was fine yesterday. But I slept weird, but it was kind of my own fault because I napped a little too long during the day yesterday. I was like, oh, I'm kind of tired. I'm just gonna try to nap, and then I like lied down. I was like, oh, I'm probably not gonna fall asleep, but I'm just gonna like rest my eyes a little bit, and then woke up later and was like, oh, okay, I did sleep. Look at me sleeping again. Oh, such an old person. But yeah, sleep. Okay, what was I doing? Movement of the balloon probably would be a good thing to modify. How am I gonna do that? Top wall and bottom wall are gonna change the Y direction, and the other two are gonna change the X direction. Is there a way of checking which wall was hit? Probably. Hello, Danveer on the YouTube side. Hello, how's it going? Good morning / afternoon. I think. Wait. Something like that. But yeah, we don't have
wings. But should work. It's a basket in the sky.
Yes. We don't have much left in order to get this working. Basically, just like the balloons moving on the screen. But I think what I'm mostly missing is the assets. I'm not done with the background. I'm not done with the frames for my camera and all that. Animations and stuff. I might start with static and then add animations later. But yeah, we're getting there slowly. 4:39. Okay, close enough. I was like, it must be close to evening probably, but like afternoon, but late afternoon. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, movement. Move and collide. That is me. That is I. Ah. Okay. What? Move and collide? What was that? Move and collide. Or maybe I'll just type detect which collision object. Trying to find the best way to do this. I have colliders. I do have colliders. I just need to figure out which one I hit. Oh goodness. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Yeah, they're assigning it in a variable. I don't want that. What am I using? Character? Right, because they move. They move according to the screen size. You can see them right now. These are my colliders, the nice blue bars that you see. Yeah, I have sound. Are you gonna say, oh, I don't hear anything? But then everybody's like, no, we hear, we're fine. I don't think I'd have responses in chat. If that were the case. But yes, I just want to fix the Y collider. You will see in a moment. There you go. That's what I don't want happening. Your speakers were bugged. No! Yeah. Happens with mine too. It's cool that we see the collision vector. I do believe it is that. It's just we don't see the other ones because they're probably hidden off screen. Yeah. How am I gonna do it? I'm trying to figure it out. Ugh. Documentation is just too much to read. I want specifically to know which one was collided with. I just want the function to know which collider I hit. Is that possible? What does motion print out? Let's see. Let's do a little test. Well, that's gonna take a while. God damn it. I'm so far away. Why didn't I go down towards the easier collider? The name of the collisions? I'm assuming it returns it somewhere. Somewhere. Come on. We're getting there. Ooh, collision. Nope. It gives me a direct. Oh, gives me a position. Yay, Teds! Wow, yours is extremely slow. It's like, just chillin'. And Chalk just zooming by on time. That doesn't help me. That is movement. Yeah. No, that's a vector. Oh, it's a vector. Unless I... No, I still need to detect the collision. God damn it. Alright, you need to practice now. Good luck. Good luck indeed. So it gives me a vector, which is not exactly what I need. At least I get the movement, but not really what I need. What other function might we have? Collide, collision layer, collision priority, collision object, get slide collision count. What if I just write get? Oh god. I wish I could like... What does slide collision do? Slide collision. What is slide collision? I'm curious. What does it give me? What does it give me? Oh, it needs a... No, never mind. That's not it. That is not it. Let's see. Collision. Exceptions. Move and collide. Collision layer value. Maybe. Vector gives an angle, yes. Whereas a math vector and a game vector are not the same. They're the same, but that's not quite what I need. I need to know which object it hit, and that's not the information I need. I don't need a vector. I need to know what wall it hit. And I don't know what function it is. What did I write in my research? Like a phoenix. I don't want to watch video. No, thank you. Wall scene. Blah blah blah. Gravity setup. Of the ashes beaters. Also, you might be realizing it's a tad darker in here, even though it's sunny, because I brought down some of the shades, like partially, because I want to cut off a little bit of that sunshine. It is pretty warm, even if there's AC. Sorry, I just got a Discord notification. Pick up instances. That's not quite what I need. My walls move. Ah! Not quite. The sun is the devil. It is indeed. Stop vibrating. Okay. Detect collisions. Phoenix. I don't want to watch a video. God damn it. Give me text. I hate videos. I feel like text is so much easier. You can do like Control F and find something easily. The videos, not really. Unless you use the eye, but no thank you. That's not what I need. La 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 la. Unless, no, I still don't know. I just need the function or something. Info. If collision info. Oh, they put their move and collide in a variable? But it's still, no! Still not it! I guess I'd have to go with the position. Ugh. It's kind of dumb. Can't I just be like, hey, I collided with the right wall. That's it. That's it. Anybody good with Godot in here? I just need to know how. It's so simple. Ugh. It'll hold more data? Oh, because it's in an if, it doesn't... Okay, fine, I'll put it in a variable. Okay, I'm just gonna comment this for now, which means we're not gonna bounce back, which is fine. Collision, or just... Yeah, just collision. No? Yes? Maybe? What? Where am I? Oh. I was like, why is it an error? Oh! And then we're gonna print out collisions, see what happens with that. It's probably just gonna give me an object, which means I'm gonna have to play with it a bit. I'm just gonna go get move and collide. Move and collide, although I could probably just open it in Godot. I know you can do that. Oh god, okay fine, I'll just do that in Godot. Just want the move and collide thing. How do we open this again? Nope, not that. Not that. Search help. Move and collide. This is what I want. Thank you. Ask AI to transcribe the video. No, thank you. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's kinematic collision 2D. Cool. Nine methods. Test move. Remove collision. Move and collide. Can I see what it's made of? Yeah. Then if collision. Yes, yes, yes. It doesn't really describe what's in the object. I guess I'd have to go with a kinematic. Why is that word so hard to say? Then something that got Blot, I guess? Should give you the name of the thing you hit. Yes, that's what I need to know. Yay, balloon is stuck in the corner. I wonder why. Oh, cool, I already opened it. Get angle, get collider. Would that be the collider? Because in theory, I understand how it works. I just need the name of methods and stuff. That's what I need right now. So I'm kind of like trying things. Balloon, nope, balloon. Alright, let's do our collision if again. Oops. Oops. If collision. Then do the thing. And now I want to see. Oh, I could also have the ID too. Get collider, what's it gonna return? Thank you for the follow, welcome in. Followers are anonymous. You may shout at me in chat if you want to be called out. Up to you. Tets! On a null value. Oh. Because it hasn't collided, you silly goof. You silly goof. Go in the if. Let's reload. Whoop. Yes. Okay. That didn't bug. Now we wait. Mm-hmm. First word does indeed show as stars. I guess it's a modded word? I can't see it from my StreamerBot. I don't know why it's... Oh, that's dot, that's why. Right. Oh yeah, there we go. Bottom wall. Now how... How do I get that name? Oh, and it has characters too, other balloons. Oh, imagine if I make the collisions between balloons rarer and have like a little sound, boing, they hit each other. I could do that. Like, doing. Collision.name. Ah, that's better because I couldn't see it earlier. Yeah, it thinks it's a link. It does. So collision. Did you say dot name? Are you sure? I hope so. I hope so. Or get collider.name probably. Or just directly .name. You think? We're gonna try it out. That's why we're here. And I have to be pretty much on the dot today, by the way, for stream, because I have to probably rinse off when I get to work. I bought a little soap and all that. So it's gonna take a little while for that too, so I have to be on time. Yeah. Okay, let's probably get collider.name. Again? Yeah, work has a shower. They do. Like last time when it was pretty warm, I was like, I kind of wish I did shower, but I didn't have anything to like towel myself off back then. But yeah, they do. Oh good! Ahaha! There we go! Yippee! Shrubbery! Yay! Yippee! Burp. Burp just went by. Yippee! We did it! We found it! That's all I wanted. That's it. Now, do I put that... Put in a variable. Collider name. Doopy doop doop. Beep 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 beep. And let's do a... Oh, what's it called? Value doesn't have a set type. Fine. It's gonna be, I guess it's a string, I'm assuming. Is it small s? Rose! Just went by. No, it's a big S. Big S. Good morning. Hello. Yeah, switch, but I just forget how we write it. I did it the other time. What was it? Match? I think it's match in Godot. I think. Match. Collider. Name. I guess 2 dots. I'm kind of going off here. Let's say bottom wall. Doo-doo-doo. I think that's how we write it. I think. Match is cooler than switch. I feel like it works better. Like you want it to match something. Switch. And switch also works. Yeah. You go tit. I go tit. Yes. Okay, direction Y. I'm just gonna copy this. Yes. Y. Velocity Y. Actually, it's gonna be both top and bottom. I'm gonna have the exact same thing. Could have been an if, actually. I could have been. Then again, we'll have a balloon though. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I've used Switch before. I have. Switch, not just in JavaScript, but also Peach. Does PHP have it? I forget. I know there's another language that uses it. Or is it in... Oh, it's probably C#. Maybe. I started with C and VB. I started with VB, Java, and C++. Horrible. Horrible memories. Can I have 2 things in a match? I don't think so. Let's do right wall. VB. What I use for default? Should I have a default? Default's just gonna do nothing, basically, because it should never. Oh, other balloon. Wait. Oh, I wish it kept. I wish we'd hit with balloons. I would see. I think it's just balloon. Balloon. I wonder if it's gonna work directly. Just gonna affect the X for now. I just want to see something with match. Can I? Let me see. Can I see any here? Match. I'm kind of wondering if I have multiple things in a match. Double up. I don't want to. How much like copy and paste? Like, oh, really? Because double up doesn't mean anything to me. Like, this you mean? It looks kind of weird. But this? I don't think so. It doesn't look like that would work. I feel like this would be more probable. But I don't think that works either. It's not bugging. Not bugging. Maybe multiple what do you call it? Declarations? I don't know. Match statements, that's what I'm looking for. The word. No, not a video, go away. Constant pattern, max X, blah blah blah. See if I can see an example. Aha! Okay, there it is. So it's an array. Makes more sense. I'm kind of wondering if it bugs, though. I just want to try. I'm curious. I want to see tits. Oh goodness, I'm going fast. Burp. This time it's a seagull. For multiple patterns? Ah. I didn't bug. Look, just go. It didn't bug. I did a thing. It's kind of fun when you like try something and you've seen another codes and stuff and you're like, oh look, it works. Look at us go. Boing. stuck in the corner. GG, we're no longer going the wrong way when we hit the bottom. Yay, boing. Look at us go. It's almost done. We can almost add this to OBS. Everything but balloons is working. Yeah, I'll have to figure out what balloons is. Give me your name. It's probably gonna have a weird name. So I guess that would be the default. Yes, eventually I will have them despawn after like 10 minutes or so. So they'll all have their little timer. And there's gonna be a second timer for high scores. High scores? I can't speak. Of course, we're all going the same way, so we're not gonna be colliding. They go up in flames. Why? They're not dying. Maybe they'll just go... Just like a little... Zoop, little implosion. That would be cute. But then the explosions are gonna be for the fighting part of the game. That's not gonna work. Because I think I removed... Did I remove the stuff? I think I had green and pink things. I forgot. Pink green. Was it pink green? I forgot the name. I think that's the one you had drop. I think blue white was Osmo. You're wandering up. Come on, guys. Hit each other. I'll add mine. Hello. There we go. One more into the mix. I feel like we appear on the right side very often, even though it should be randomized. Yeah. It's a character body 2D. We got balloons stuck on the side there. Oh no. Oh, we're stuck. Forever collision. Yes, my balloon is fancier because I have a magic balloon. Oh no! I have my own. Yes, eventually you guys all have themed balloons. Okay. So let's do that as a default. Do I just write default? How do we... Okay, it needs its thingamabobbers. Oh, it's that? Oh. How would I have guessed? Just that? Yeah, habit from Switch. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, yeah. So this should work fine for collisions. For the balloons. The balloons.
They don't have engines? They don't have wings? Should
Water
work!
balloon!
It's a
Yes.
basket in the sky!
Oh, maybe. Or maybe I'm gonna go under it. Watch it. We're gonna let you. Okay, we got it. Okay, good. That works. Balloon. Oh, wait. That's weird. It did both? Weird. Very strange. It goes boing. Okay, so it does both. Huh. Interesting. Yes! There we go! I don't hate the linear movement. I don't know, maybe I'll keep it like that. Because I messed up my movement, because I had like this kind of sine movement. But something I did messed it up. But I don't hate that it's going straight. Then again, it's kind of... I don't know. I'll have to fix that. So it's a random name? Not sure. Oh, maybe because it's the one that collided and the... I don't know. Code stuff. Alright, we have that going. Perfect, I can remove that. So that's working fine. Now I need to figure out why my sin is not working. Math! Yeah, in my tree, yes, I know. But the random name comes from when they're created. It's actually not random. It's actually 4, 5. 4, 5, 5. Yeah. Yeah. Bezier curves? It's supposed to be like a like this. So your balloon kind of drifts like this. And there's gonna be like eventually gravity, probably pulling it down a bit, and then it'll bounce back up. I don't know. It's not gonna be very realistic. It's gonna be like kind of all over the place, just so it's not straight. Also, what is my speed right now? I think I changed it to make it faster, maybe? Where's my speed stuff? Speed? Here. Yeah, I made it much faster. But then again, I messed up my movement, so this is usually not so bad. Usually lower than that, but I messed something up in my sin stuff and amplitude and frequency. I don't quite understand what I'm doing. Fine, go do that. I need a pixel balloon? Ooh, I guess. Yeah, so, not that, this. Did I remove yours? I don't think I did. Wait, where's drop? Good God. We're getting a lot of balloons. Oh no, it's still pink green, it's still there. You still have it. You can see who came in before the last stream because there's no source in it. Eventually, everybody will have their source. Wait, does anyone have a source? Except me? Oh yeah, there it is. Source. There we are. I like that song. Yeah, I can remember that's why the balloon command is gonna be important. Yes, yes, yes. Can I have sauce? What do you mean? What do you mean sauce? Have a big bottle of sauce as your balloon. Also, I'm gonna be adding to everyone the dummy balloon, the crash test dummy. But not quite yet. Not quite yet. Because I don't have it drawn yet still. I don't know, maybe does the iPad work now? Doubtful. I doubt it. Probably not gonna wanna work. Because my computer. Backstreet. Nope. It should have appeared fairly quickly. It didn't. Okay, I've got drivers to fix. Yippee. I haven't fixed. Beta tester balloon, yes. Let me close that. Because right now all we have is oops, not that. This is this. Yeah, that's all we have. Only these 4 kind of default kind of doesn't count, but yeah. So many people tired to do art fight. The site has been down. Tried to do tired. I was like tired. Tried to do art fight. The site is down all day. Damn. They didn't account for the amount of people. Hi, Ploxblo. Welcome in. Good morning. Hello. 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 Okay, so we got that working. I'm gonna close a few things. I don't need that anymore. That was WebSocket stuff. Oh yeah, I looked up the plugin that someone mentioned, I forget who. It's not free. I have to pay for it on Patreon. I was like, hey, I think I'll figure it out myself. I am tired. Yeah. Yeah, mood. Oh, sun is hiding. I love that. That means it might be a little less warm while I walk. Hi, tired. I'm Daz. Have you tried? That is a question. But yeah, this is gonna be one of those things I'm probably gonna do off stream to try to figure out myself. See if they already have like a function. I doubt it, because it seems this plugin only receives. But it does connect to the WebSocket, so there's a way of sending, not the payload, but sending something the other way. Dad joked, you've been dad joked, ha ha ha. Alright, so string can close. Why did I open string? What? Okay, I'll fix the sign movement later when I figure out math. When I figure out how math works. At least we have this going properly. What else did I have to do? Oh yeah, the timer. Special balloons, those are mostly assets. Point system is also gonna be a timer / fighting system. High score is gonna be tied to the point system. Weapons, not yet. Boost speed and height, not yet either. A top hit, yeah, that's gonna be the whole high score system. But not yet. I'm using names appear. Yeah, that's fairly simple. Oh yeah, I know what I could do. I know. I could do a function for scene changing. It's gonna be on scene switch. I'm gonna put it after chat message. Funk on scene switch. Is it gonna receive anything? Not really. Wait, no, yes, it's gonna receive the scene, right? No, I mean a collision. Oh yeah, I'm missing top, right? Hold on. Fun. Excuse me. Okay, I'm just gonna do a void for now. And then pass. I forgot about the top wall. Whoops. Good thing you're there. Where am I? Balloon. Bottom wall. Top wall. Oops. All caps, please. Ice cream cake. Oh. But it's too hot. Yeah. It's definitely hot. No fun. No fun. Good thing you're there. I forgot the top wall. Because that's going to be important in the scene switch. So, because the thing's going to go down. Basically, the top wall's the one that moves. Where am I? Main. I keep forgetting I'm in the wrong thing. Okay, on scene switch. Now, how... Right, I do this. Okay, so Twitch, YouTube... now I have to figure out the plugin. So it does Twitch and YouTube. How do I... get the... where did I get this from? How did I get this? How did I get this? I don't know. Because I'm gonna need the OBS... Where is it? OBS. It's not in order. I'm gonna need this, but... Ah, shit. Does it pass the scene? I don't know. Ooh. Does it give me the scene? Oh. Ooh. I don't know. Oh no. We'll test. We will test. Ah. So... I might have to modify this plugin. Not only do I have to pass stuff to StreamerBot, but I have to figure out what scene I'm switching to. Oh my. Oh no. Oh la la. It's becoming more complicated. What's in this one? It's just settings. Enter tree, blah blah blah, exit tree. Project settings. Should see about making a second screen that isn't shown to use, that you can put controls on for you. Wait, what do you mean? Why would I put controls? I can just type it in chat. Or type it directly in the file. No, probably not. Property info, project settings. Okay, this is all settings. I don't care much for this. What's this one do? Subscribe. I'm gonna have to like read this properly and be like, okay, this is how I'm gonna add this other part. Subscribe to custom. Subscribe, custom, blah blah blah. Subscribe to command. Unsubscribe. What? Get events? I think I did that at one point. That might be how I got the events. Do action? Wait, it has do action? So I might be able to do it from this. Why do I feel like this is a copy of the other plugin? Huh. How do I call do action? Is this... No, this is not a class. Can I call it directly? Is StreamerBot in globals? Yes. There is a way, people. There is a way. Download image. You know what I should do, though? Maybe not. I was thinking, like, I should list out all their functions and comment them for later, but... Nah, too much work. Do action from name. Huh. Or ID. That's not bad. I mean, I can do that. When there's a will, there's a way! Yay, a common stream. Fun. Art school suggested art 5? Nice. That's cool. I should quit it. Yeah, no wonder their website got down. There's a lot of people in that Discord. Was it in their Discord or was it on their like Twitter or whatever? They probably put it in Discord. Get broadcaster, get credits, test credits. What did I want? What do I need? Oh yeah, I need the scenes. Get info. Get active viewers. I'll never use that one. Get actions, get events. Okay, so... Huh. That's gonna be a weird one for that, but I can try do action. I just don't know how to call it. I can't just do action, right? What was I gonna do that on? Oh yeah, balloon. Balloons here. So it would be like do... Like I probably don't have access to that. I probably need to declare something. How do I do that? How do I call a function from a global GD? Help. Help. Just posted it on the Discord. Ah, that's why. Yee. I just want to see, actually, because I don't get notifications from most of my Discords. Art school. Where are you? There you are. Goodness, I have not read my announcements in a while. Goodness. Oh yeah, they did. I see. I see. That is what we're talking about. Yeah. I'm doing great. Yeah. You just call it, but it's gonna bug. Where am I? StreamerBot, hello. And OBS. There we go. Also, why is this still open? Go away! I don't need you. Do action by name? Or from name? From name. From name. Yeah, it's not found in base cell. That's what it's complaining about. Action name. Do I have an action? I don't think I do. Do I? I do. Show balloons. Okay, so show balloons. Let's just do it and then figure it out afterwards. Show balloons. Ballons. And then what do I want to pass to it? Username? I guess the username. Tricky note to know about... I need to know the name of the global var, so it may be something. Dot. StreamerBot doc funk. Oh, okay, yeah, maybe. StreamerBot dot... There we go. Aha! I see, but now I need to figure out... What do I want? Just username? Actually, no, I'm just gonna pass the text to it. Yeah, I don't need to figure it out because I have it in Godot, after all. Okay, let's see. Print. How am I gonna pass that? I'm just gonna do nothing for now. Just gonna pass it nothing. It's a dictionary? Okay, fine. Fine. Visible users or saved users. Because... Wait, does check command go after the addition of the balloon? Probably. Where do I do that? Where do I check command? Okay, here we go. On Twitch message. So after, so it's fine. I can use visible users. I wasn't sure. We probably had the same problems before. Username. It's probably gonna be sprites, I think. It's been a while. User sprites. I think. I don't know anymore. We're getting deep. We are getting deep here. 9 minutes warning. Ew, I don't want to go melt my face. No. Hello, humans. Hello, Mohammed. Hello. Let's see if this bugs the hell out. Balloons. Okay, cool. So I can just pass owned to StreamerBot. Do I want to pass the whole array though?
Why is it spicy?
But why spicy? Yeah, it works. It works. So it works. So chosen or owned. Oh, I could do like current chosen and then owned balloons and then have them all. Do you wanna? I should probably get it out of the array before I send it to StreamerBot, because I don't want to have to deal with that in StreamerBot. Also, I don't know how this works, but hold on, do action, args, action name, dictionary. Why? What am I gonna do with the dictionary at the other end is the question. Did it trigger is the question. This does nothing, obviously. Action history. Doesn't seem to have triggered anything. Oh no, it did. It did trigger it. Huh. It works. Nice. Variables 5. What? Huh? It worked. I think. I think. Well, to the wall. Yeah, it's back here. Yes. It is rare that I wear a top that doesn't have sleeves. I need new summer clothes. Holy crap, do I need new summer clothes? I'm like, what do I wear? I have like winter clothes by the handful, but like summer clothes? Not really. But yeah, shoulder tattoo. Excuse me. Well, at least it triggers it. Awfully long in duration though. Why? I don't know. Queued at. Okay, cool. Actions. I'm just gonna do the... Oops, wait. Oh no, I do have something. Target info, execute code. I don't need that. Delete. I gotta go... Ah, shit. I need to detect where it's coming from though. It needs to be one or the other, not both, ideally. Sweater or sweater? No sweater for 30 degrees. Ew. Send message. I don't want to have a bot account. Here are your balloons. So this should appear when we test it. Ta-da. Eventually I have to pass that. And then play. A mod check? Why? Let's just switch. That's it. Here are your balloons! Yay! It goes through! Perfect. We can talk to StreamerBot. It was that simple. I just had to read the code. It works! Plus I appear on screen and I don't even have to type. Yeah, I don't really need to do a mod check because it's only gonna check for the switch or balloons command. Doesn't matter. And then it's gonna return the variables and stuff. Yeah. Here are your balloons! I just have to figure out how to give it the variable and then use the variable. So, I don't think we'll be able to do that in 4 minutes. But yeah, at least we got something going. It kind of works. I'm assuming I can just name it like whatever. It'd be like, here's the user. So I won't... hold on. I'm not gonna be using this the way I'm using it right now. Or am I? Can I pass a user directly and it'll understand what it is? A good question. Well, of course it's not working for YouTube. It shouldn't work for YouTube quite yet. I think. Do I check command? I do check command. Yeah, it shouldn't work for YouTube quite yet. I'm gonna have to add like a kind of a check to figure out which action or which... I don't know if I'll do that check inside StreamerBot or Godot. Either or. Lurk, thank you for the lurk. It's gonna be a 3-minute lurk, but thank you anyway. Dorky! You get 2 balloons for modding in both. What do you mean? Modding? No? What? I mean, you'll get 2 balloons if you have one on YouTube and one on Twitch, so yes, you will have 2 balloons. That's 3 minutes. Okay, let's see. If I do user and pass username, I don't know what StreamerBot will do with this. I don't know how to retrieve that, to be honest. I wonder. Test. Test. Can I retrieve test? Let's see if it's just gonna use this and change it. Add. Is it in core? Your variables and stuff? Oh god, where is it from? Where is it? System? I don't think so. No. Arguments? No. Actions? No. I don't know what to do on the other side. I'll have 2 sweater balloons. Actually, no, because my name is written the same both on YouTube and Twitch. I believe I tested that at some point. And because my name is the same, it doesn't redo it. So if your name is exactly written the same on both platforms, it's fine. So I'll have 1 balloon. 1 chirpy balloon. Test! But how do I retrieve it now? What if... Oh, already here. We'll see if it works or not. User... Because normally user is attached to the command trigger, but I'm not using the command trigger, so we'll see if that works or not. Balloons! It did! Oh! It understands quite well, actually. Dang, so it has the variable directly. Right, cool. Works very well. Cool. Nice. So we're going places. Cool, and it's 8 o'clock. God damn it, I just want to continue. I'm like, we got a thing going, it works. Ah! So the user goes through. So normally user, what I'm used to is like, for example, do I have one? Followage. It'll take user from the command. But that means it works if it's just got nothing and it's going through. That's good. I just need to figure out how to, wait. I should have written something else in test. I just want to test something really quickly before we go. Blah blah. Blah blah. Red blah blah. Don't start it yet. Switch the message. And yes, does it understand it directly or was it just a fluke? That's what I want to know. Can't come into work today. I must finish the balloon game. Aha, so it becomes directly a variable in StreamerBot. That is great. So easy. Very easy. I mean, heat warning is valid, but then I'd have to work from home, so yeah. Trippy and blah blah. So that works. So what I'll do is I'll deconstruct that array with the own balloons and I'll just make a nice string for StreamerBot. Yeah, that'll work well. What is that? It's blah blah. It's blah blah that I had it post when you type balloons. Nice. Why do I look green? No, you're here. You're yellowish. You're there. You look kind of green because the collision thing is there. Yeah, it's just because the collision thing is blue and it goes over your yellow and then makes green. Color theory. Yay! We got things going pretty well. Nice, nice, nice. I don't have an end screen. I mean, the end screen could be the balloons. No, we can't because they have to go on Twitch. Okay, we must blast away into space because I must be going to the office. I keep missing prop stream. Why do I keep doing that? I keep forgetting. Yes, collision debug is blue. It's blue. Let's go see who's making gains. Progress! Yes, which means we can get closer to releasing it. First release. Yes, yes, yes. More Godot. That looks like it's Portuguese though. English, please. English. I don't want to raid the same people again. So hard. I must fight in the art and hope the website isn't down. With hopes of more chin art. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Do the arts. That is I do not want to raid myself. No thank you. Good God, what am I looking at? Some people are streaming weird things. Carry on. Okay, I guess we're just gonna raid the same people again. Or Kirsty. What's she doing? Or Kirsty. Simpler. I'm like, it's fine, let's go raid the leaf. Let's raid the leaf. Say hi to the leaf. Alright, Kirsty, there we go, raiding out. We'll be back tomorrow at 7 AM for some Blender. Good old Blender and stuff. Continuing the office because we need it for the starting soon scene. Yeah, that has to be finished too. I mean, I could do most of it, like the office area, maybe not have this part done and still release it and just swap it once it's a little more advanced. I just need to get my materials right. The Kai needs to be finished for sure. Keyboard and mouse, unless I don't put keyboard and mouse for the beginning. But yeah, we can just iterate on the starting soon screen. Yeah. Projects. The whole stream's a project. Yes. So I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye bye. Say hi to Christy. Bye. Bye bye bye.